earlier lessons, we have seen many character conversion functions. In this lesson, you're going to learn some numerical conversion functions. Initially, we'll discuss the ATOF function. It is used to convert a string into a double, and then returns that value. Take a look at this syntax. Here, it parses the C string str, interpreting its contents as a floating point number, and returns its value as a double. The function first discards as many whitespace characters as necessary until the first non-white space character is found. Then, starting from this character, it takes as many characters as possible that are valid following a syntax resembling that of floating point literals, and interprets them as numerical value. The rest of the string after the last valid character is ignored and has no effect on the behavior of this function. A valid floating point number for ATOF is formed by a succession of an optional plus or minus sign, a sequence of digits optionally containing a decimal point character, an optional exponent part which itself consists of small letter E or capital E character followed by an optional sign and a sequence of digits. To understand this better, let's look at the sample code. In this sample code, we convert a string value, str, to the double-typed value because we input a string value through the gets function. In this line, we perform the conversion process using the ATOF function, bypassing the string and assign to the n variable. Then we calculate the sign value using the sign function. And finally, we print the resultant value using this printf statement. Now let's execute the code. Press Alt F9 to compile it. When it's done, click on OK. Press Ctrl F9 to run the code. Here you need to input the value. Look at the output. By this lesson, you have learned the ATOF function.